So as you can see, it is very dark. But this is a terrible representation because the backup camera does adjust to your lights and all that good stuff. But anyways, I don't really see a problem with these. No brake lights. Brake lights. Reverse off. Reverse on. Seem to light up pretty well. I heard some complaints that the reverse weren't as bright, but these anyways are, I don't see any issues with them, so VLANds I guess is a good way to go. I don't know. So it's been about a week, 2 weeks I think, since I put these in. So a quick little review. Every now and then I get a malfunction. It lasts about 2 seconds and it goes away. So I don't know what that's about. Maybe I left something loose. I don't know. But like I said, it goes away after about 2 seconds. Visibility, I mean, looks good to me in the camera. Oh, did not like that. Rearview mirror looks good too. It's hard to tell obviously in camera. My windows are still not tinted, shockingly. I don't know how I've gone this long. But yeah, they're not tinted there. But again, visibility's good. I don't have an issue with them at all. So maybe other brands there is an issue, but with these specifically, I don't see an issue. I'm happy with them. They're a little bit, they are a little bit dimmer because the lens is smoked, so it's kind of a given. But overall, they're still bright enough that you can see through them. Reverse lights, there's no issues. I'll put it back in drive real quick without the reverse lights. You can see that. But yeah, I know it's hard to tell in the phone screen of the camera and all that good stuff. But anyways, yeah, the comparison video I attempted to do, I'm just gonna scrap that idea. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so we're gonna try a different way. Took one other video that I really didn't like before of just the lights themselves, so maybe we'll do that. So if I decide to do that, we're gonna put that in there before this clip. So I don't know why I'm saying all this. Maybe I'll put it in after. I'll put it in after. There you go. So for those who don't really want to watch it, you don't have to stick to the end. Just, yeah, I'll put them in after. But anyways, yeah, overall happy with them. The install was relatively easy overall, knowing as long as you know what you're doing. So we're about 2 weeks in, give or take, and still happy with them. Lots of compliments from everybody, car people, non-car people. I don't think it's necessarily just the fact that they're smoked and it's a black on black car, which I didn't really want to do, but whatever. But just the design, the overall style, the GTS style gets a lot of looks and compliments. So yeah, Euro Parts Palace, who I got mine from, they are a VLAND brand, so their link's down below. RenzRidez gets you 5% off. And yeah, so hopefully this video helps make your decision one way or the other. And yeah, see you guys next time.